Yeah, I think there's a wall cloud forming in there, guys. But I don't see anything on radar. I don't see a couplet or anything. I think I see some striations starting to appear right there. Tornado warned. If you guys didn't see, try to get a little more north, just a little bit. This is pretty amazing, guys. I'm like freaking giddy right now. The rain's coming down out in front of it, so that probably is the inflow area. We got Mike Meziel here, Kelly DeLay, Daniel Shaw, and I think Roger Hill's down ways. Everybody's here. Look at that. Whoa. That looks like a gustinado, maybe. Look at that. Pretty sure that's the wall cloud. Look at this motion right here. I have to go east so I can get some gas. I'm down to 1/8 of a tank, 67 miles left. Then I'll get ahead of this thing and I can see what happens out in front of it. Can't see anything here anyway. I've never done a slide, a dolly move during a storm chase before, so I finally did it. I don't even know if it'll look good in a movie when it's the only one that I do. I'll probably do some more. It's actually really easy to set up that one. I need a soda, I need all kinds of crap. I am hungry, thirsty, I need gas. I do not want to eat more of that power bar. Ugh.